Hey, how's it going? This is a quick unboxing of the new Halo 3 ODST game. We just got the special edition at the midnight. Comes with the controller and the game and some pretty cool packaging. And yeah, we went 2 hours ahead of time at GameStop, and there wasn't really much going on, and not too many showed up. It was a school night and everything, but we got it, and we're gonna get it started. So we got the game. Time offer, see Halo Xbox. Yeah, that's that. Let's see. You got the controller there, and then you got this little tray, collector's pack. Nothing amazing. Here's the controller. It's got like engraved. Well, it's not really engraved. It's like outgraved. It's not focused very well. Oh, there we go. You got the Halo 3 ODST with all the writing and whatnot, and yeah, you can feel the texture on here. It's pretty cool. And then it also came with the Sergeant Johnson. If you were to play as him, it's kind of stupid if you ask me, because everyone gonna play as Sergeant Johnson. But yeah, so that's basically it. That's what comes with it and everything, and we're gonna get to get playing on it. Yeah, so thanks for watching.